Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is out in the backyard patio. Good to see you again.
Good to see you guys too.
You have some meals that are quick and easy.
Quick and easy, right? I guess we're getting towards fall. Fall's almost here, so I'm kind of like changing my cooking routines this time of year. So I've got two recipes, like an oven recipe, but they're super quick, super easy, and some of my kids' favorites. So nice meals for the kids, easy weeknight meals. So the first one I want to talk about is called Crazy Beef Quesadillas, and I'm not sure why they're named that other than they're crazy easy and they're crazy good. I started with 1 pound of lean ground beef. I just got a ground sirloin and I browned that up, so about 7-8 minutes, and then I'm going to add 1 jar of salsa. So I just got a nice mild salsa with actually black beans and corn in it that I'm going to add in, and then fresh cilantro to give it some great flavor, and then cheese, about 1.5 cups of just a shredded Mexican cheese blend, and that is it. So this is my quesadilla filling. Then you want to get the big tortillas. So I got the big 10-inch tortillas, and this will fill 4 of them half full, and I just lined a cookie sheet with aluminum foil, and I'll fill these. This will make 4 huge quesadillas, or actually probably feed 8 people, or you can have leftovers. Put them in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes, and then bring them out and slice them and serve them with a little more salsa, and they're ready to go. So very, very easy to make in 30 minutes.
Couldn't be easier, that's for sure.
Exactly.
All right, what else?
And then my second recipe is called Easy Roast Beef Rolls. So I took a dozen Hawaiian mini rolls and sliced them open, and then I put on them some, either you could use horseradish sauce if your family likes that, or a Dijon mustard. And then deli roast beef, a pound of good deli roast beef, provolone cheese, but you could change up your cheese. I think cheddar or Havarti would be good too. And then you drizzle over the top melted butter, onion powder, a little parsley, and a little Worcestershire, and bake them in the oven about 15 to 20 minutes, and they're done. And then you've got these awesome 12 little slider rolls with that deli roast beef in there. They'd be really good for an after-school snack for the kids, or if the kids have friends over. They would feed a lot, and they're super hearty and tasty, delicious, and easy, under 30 minutes.
That's the key this time of year with everybody so busy.
Exactly. So beeftips.com is our Wisconsin Beef Council website. Click right on As Seen on TV. You'll find these recipes plus a lot of other great beef checkoff recipes.
All right, Angie, thanks for coming out today.
Of course.